Okay, so recoding values. So suppose you have a column that has 1, 2, and 3 as the order type, and you want to convert that into more descriptive values, like 1 is retail sales, 3 is internet sales, 2 is catalog sales. We can use recode for that. Okay, and suppose we have manager wants salaries to be profit per order to be categorized. You have the profit per order, and you want them to be categorized into 3 categories. So you can have 0 to 100 as one value, and then this as another value, and this is another value. Recoding an existing column into a new column. So here is what will happen. So you have order type, a numeric value is recoded as these, or profit recoded as that column. Okay. And we will use the calculate new field with the recoded, instead of using advanced expression, we will use recode. All right, so let's look at the values. Here we're going to use the order fact table. Okay. So go ahead and I'm going to start with assigning the project library. We don't need it now because we already have it, but if we're going to use this at a different time, I want to have that task available which we can run. All right, so that's the path, and we want read only. All right, test, okay, finish. All right, so that's available to us. So now let's save the project as 7. Order fact is what we're going to use. So bring order fact in. Okay. So here is the order type, and we have profit of each transaction right here. So we're going to recode those two. Okay. Let's first look at order type. So go to data query builder. Okay, so new column and recode column. That's what we'll be using. All right, so order type. Okay, so that's the one that we want to recode. And here there are several ways in which we can set up a recode. Okay, so here is where we'll be adding values and replacing the values with what we want to replace it with. Like, so you see add. Okay, so you can replace the value, you can replace the range, or you can replace based on a condition. Okay, there are 3 different ways in which you can set this up. Here the first one, all we want to do is to replace. So click that button, say 1. So that's your 1. Replace it with what? Retail sales. Okay, now this is a numeric value getting converted into a char value. So enclose this value in quotes. Should be checked. Okay. So that's 1. So we have 2 more to go. Okay. The next is 2, and you want that to be catalog, right? Catalog sales. Close. Click OK. And then The third one should be internet sales. So next is order type detail. Okay. See what's happened here. It uses the case function to do the conversion. So I'm going to back up a little. There is one other thing that I need to discuss. Suppose if there are rows without any one of these values, then what do you do? Other values, what do you do? Okay, so here we can say missing, convert that to a missing value. Sales has to be one of these three. If you find there is nothing there, then convert that into a missing value. Okay. So that is order type detail. And now let's look at the profit category. So again, go to that icon. Now this is a recoded column. Okay, we're going to select profit, and now we're going to add a range of values, right? Okay, so you say lower limit of you're supposed to have 0 to 100, right? So set lower limit of 0 and upper limit of 100. Okay. And we want that to be converted to $0 to $100, and that has, we're now converting a numeric value into a character string. So that's one possible recoding. Okay. The second is $100.01. So again, we are replacing a range. Lower limit is 100.01 and an upper limit of 500, and that would be $100.01 to $500. That's the second one. And the third one add. So now the lower limit is 500.01, and there is no upper limit in this for the third category. So dollar, say above 500, above $500. Okay, no upper limit. And once again, here we can select, if there is no proper value in the row, then that has to be coded as a missing value. So we'll call this profit category. Okay. So now you need to take that off. I don't know why it's. So take that format off. Okay, see, I got an error now. What is the error? See here. Okay, let's go back and edit. See, which one was that? That one? This one. Okay, so this one I forgot to check that. So he did not put the single quotes for the string. So that was the error that I ended up with. Alright, so now close and run, and so now you got the recoded values. Okay. All right.